Hi, my name is Anne-Marie, and I am a librarian at the University of Alabama. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate some of the advanced search tools in Scout. From Scout's main page, you can access the advanced search feature by clicking on the link above the search bar here. Using the advanced search tool allows you to narrow down your search results at the beginning of your search process. You can do so by typing multiple search terms at once, or by selecting one or more of the various search filters on this screen. By default, Scout will search for items based on the keywords you put into the search boxes. But you can change your search options to search for more specific items by selecting one of the filters from the drop-down box labeled All Fields. For example, if you're looking for an article or book by its exact title, you can select Title TI from the drop-down box. Or, for an item written by a specific author, enter the author's name and select Author AU. Other options include filters like subject terms, ISBN numbers, and others. Say, for example, I am looking for a book written by Nick Saban. I'm going to type Nick Saban's name into the search bar here, and select Author AU from the drop-down box. And then I'm going to click on Search. For this particular example, I'm going to go ahead and specify under Source Type here at the top of the results page that I am looking specifically for books. You can also specify the source type in the advanced search page itself, but we will get into more detail on that later on in this video. When searching with multiple search terms at once, this box here will give you the option to search for items that will include both terms or either terms. These are called Boolean Operators. Using AND will search for items that include both terms you put in the search boxes. Using OR will search for items that include either term but not necessarily in the same item. Using NOT will search for items that include the first term but exclude the second. Below the search bars, you can also limit your search results by type of item, whether it's a physical book, ebook, peer-reviewed journal, streaming video, or other media. You can also limit your results by publication dates by selecting any of the date range options here, or you can enter in a custom date range here. You can also limit your results to specific languages and specific locations. Location will list our on-campus libraries for physical items. And collection will list our digital collections for all online materials. Alternatively, under search options here, you can set your search to also look for items with related words, phrases, and subjects. Well, that's all for now. As always, if you have any questions, contact us or visit ask.lib.ua.edu to ask a librarian. Thanks for watching, and roll Tide!